Hi, this is Rob. I got some unboxings here, and I'm trying out, shaking the camera, trying out a new camera I just bought. Got it pretty cheap. It's an older version. It's a Sony HX80. Got it for 200 and something. Not too bad. Check it out, see what it's like. See how it thing. But I have two unboxings here. Or three. Shumi. Corona Toys. And M3 Toys. Let's get into it. Mainly to do this just to test the camera out, because I just got it. Nothing in the box. Bleach. I don't know how to pronounce that. I'm not sure what that even is. Another one. But this one was from 3M Toys. Sorry, shaking the camera again. Nothing in the box. The camera tripod sitting on the table. So every time I hit the table, it shakes the camera. Oh. I already know what it is. I already have it. And he's got some kind of blue paint on his nose. Box is damaged too. I don't know if you can see that. It's like indented right there. The bottom's popping out. That's okay, I already have one. And he's got a little blue paint on his nose. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, there it is. Oh, shaking the camera again. Little blue paint on his nose. You have to crunch with a sword. Good thing I already have it. Last one is from Shumi. And yes, these were mystery boxes. From a long time ago. This is from January. This one is also from January. And that one was from December. South Park Human Kite. South Park Human Kite. Okay. I know nothing about South Park. Nothing at all. I don't get into that, just like Beavis and Butthead. I didn't get into that either. Okay, that will do it for the unboxing and the testing of the camera. I did do a thing on the Yi Light. I got footage of that up there, along with the footage, same footage on my iPhone 7. The E Light, it's a pretty good camera, but you gotta pretty much stay in the daylight, which is kind of the same way with this camera. I heard it's not the greatest in low light, but until I can afford to get a Canon G7X2, I have to do with what I got to do with, because I'm not a rich person. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and we're out of here.